The euro currency opens up the week near unchanged, hovering at 117.20 before moving lower early in the session, getting all the way down to 116.50 and then spending the rest of the day moving back to unchanged and closing at 117.20. Now, since early August, the euro has seen a range of 115.5 up to 119.5 and currently holds right at the midpoint or just below the midpoint of that range. A lot of uncertainties out there, whether we talk political uncertainty, central bank uncertainty, fiscal uncertainty, and of course, trade uncertainty, all of which has pushed the euro right to the center of that midpoint of that recent range going back to early August, and likely will need some kind of a catalyst event to push us either to new highs or reverse us back into the old range. But right now, seeing the euro hover at 117.20 to start the week. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You'll see volatility made new year-to-date lows last week. However, we start this week with volatility moving higher off those year-to-date lows. Lastly, let's talk about what we have this week. The key will be a couple of things. We're going to be looking at the September FOMC minutes on Wednesday, looking for clarity from the Fed. Obviously, it won't tell us what they're going to do at October FOMC, given the state of the shutdown of the U.S. government and how data is released. However, we will also hear from the Fed chair on Thursday, maybe to get some clarity on how the Fed may deal with some of what we're seeing with the government shutdown and how the data or lack of could affect their decision making.